In weather update in Himachal Pradesh, extremely heavy spell of rain in the capital Shimla and surrounding areas has put life completely out of gear in the capital city. Heavy overnight rain triggered floods and landslides in the around Cart Road, the traffic artery of Shimla. Many vehicles, including buses, were swept away and shops were damaged. In southwestern Bilaspur's Gumarvi subdivision, the Sia Khad River was flowing at its highest level today. Well, authorities continue to monitor the situation. And Muskan Chaudhary joins us from Shimla for more on the weather there. Well, Muskan, how is the situation? Red alert has been sounded, and yesterday was also a very terrific day for the state. What is the current situation?
Lipakshi, Himachal Pradesh rainfall has once again put the life completely out of gear at several places across the state, including the capital Shimla. There were 3 incidents last night of cloud burst and flash flood, in which the Mandi was the district which was hit again. In Mandi, there was 2 incidents of flash flood. The first incident that took place was in Dharampur, where a local bus stand was flooded with the river, flooded because of the flash flood, and a lot of silt has entered the local bus stand, and the bus stand is currently submerged under the water. Another incident that took place in Mandi was in the Nihari Panchayat, where a house has been swept away due to the flash flood, in which 3 people are reportedly dead, in which there are 2 females and there is 1 kid who is of around 9 months, and 3 other people were rescued from the current situation. However, the rescue operation is still undergoing in the Nihari Panchayat. And talking about the capital, there are multiple landslides which has been reported due to the last night rainfall. And there was another incident of flash flood that occurred in the Bilaspur area, in which due to the rising water and flash flood, the market area has been submerged, and the silt and the water has entered the house of the people, and they panicked at night and they had to leave their places. So currently the situation is fine. The rescue operation is undergoing. The weather is clear right now, so it is helping to rescue the people smoothly out of the places. And according to the meteorological department, the weather will be clear across the state after the 17th September. But, you know, the monsoon is leaving. But as you can see, there are still the incident of flash flood and cloudburst going across the state.
Also, Muskan, the Sia Khad River was flowing at its highest level yesterday. What's the situation out there?
The water level is still very high, Lipakshi. The administration has advised people not to go near the water bodies. And if I'm talking about the water level in the Pong Dam in the Kangra is also at a very high level. The inflow of water is too much right now. The administration advised people yesterday also not to wander around in the areas, and the people who are coming around the areas of the Pong Dam and the plain area, especially of the Kangra, the administration has advised people to stay on alert. If the water will increase, they have to release water. However, they are releasing water on daily basis. Around 400 cubic water is released on daily basis. But they have advised people, especially in the plain areas, to stay on alert. If there will be more rainfall, they have to leave more water.
All right. Thank you so much, Muskan, for all those details from there.